Hey, what's up guys? This is Dan Kraus. Alright, so I'm doing a PDR on this Tacoma door. You can see there's a kind of a smaller dent right in the center of the door, and then there's a crease along the bottom. There's also a crease along the top of the door, as well as a little ding in the back, you'll see. So I'm working with 4 different areas here. Okay, so I placed the tab on the inside of the dent, not directly over the dent, as to not lock the damage in. And then I use a hand tool to pull it out. Be very careful not to pull it out too far, because this will lock the damage in, and then it'll be very difficult to get to lay back down. So then I go through the wiring hole here that connects to the body for my access hole, and I use my PDR rod to pick most of the damage out. And then any of the high spots I push back down with a very small peewee tip. I'm also constantly checking the angles, looking up and down, and from the other side. I flip the light around and I check it from the other angle. It may look really good in one spot, but then you turn around and look at it and it looks terrible. So just constantly be checking your angles.